Okay, so I went out on a limb today and bought a kind of an old model backhoe front loader unit. I need it to dig up trees and to repair my road on my farm here. And it's medium size. It's not the great big ones, and it's not a little bitty one. 70 something horsepower engine. Runs really well, but has some leaks. I'll be having to replace a bunch of hydraulic hoses before I can really use it. Like these are already rusting, so they could burst at any time really. So I need to replace all the ones that are bad. Now some of these look like they were replaced before. They're cracked, but not in any immediate need to be replaced. So I need to make an inventory of all those that need to be replaced. And it's dripping a little bit of oil under the engine there. At first I would try to use an engine sealant. It may be the rear main, I don't know yet. I have to crawl in there and look, but it's dripping about where the rear main would be. And so I need to look at that. If it's rear main, I'll pick an appropriate sealer for that. I'm going to change the oil at that time too before I add the sealant, so I have clean oil. I don't know the history. I don't know how old the oil is. I don't know how many hours the unit has on it with the oil it has. And it's not perfect, but it is functional at this point. The steering is sloppy, but I guess that's to be expected for a unit like this. Probably brand new is probably somewhat sloppy. It's got a nice big front loader bucket on it, and it's in okay shape. There's some holes in it that could be welded up. I might do that eventually, but I'm going to use it as is for now. So I just see now that I probably should replace that fan belt too. I'm messing with it. I don't know how hard parts are going to be for this. It's kind of old. I think it's like a 1980 model. I haven't checked yet what it is. I need to find the serial number and figure that out. But it's a 260 series International. So they made them in the 70s into the early 80s. So that's what it looks like. And I did drive it and park it here, so it does run and drive. You can see there's all kinds of oil and stuff under there from some sort of hydraulic leak perhaps. I need to clean all that out because it's pretty nasty. So I need to get some oil degreaser and a high pressure water cleaning system to clean this. But yeah, there's gonna be some work to it before I use it. Basically the work is replace all these hydraulic hoses like this that are, you know, those could burst at any moment really, and change the oil, and go ahead and change the engine coolant, put some fresh antifreeze in it, you know, protect the engine from further degradation. The air filter assembly is missing a piece. I'm gonna have to figure that out. The filter is not secure, in other words. And yeah, but I could use it as is if I wanted to risk it. So this is going to be fun working on this. And I don't know what else to say. This is I don't know much about this type of stuff. This is the first diesel engine even that I've ever owned. I haven't even owned a diesel engine car, so I'm going to have to learn about all that. But it's got a nice roll cage on it. Now one thing that I know that has to be done is this particular cylinder here. It's going to have to be rebuilt because it's bad. But the guy that sold it to me told me about that, and I accepted that. I'll need to repack that one cylinder. Yeah, I guess that's it. I just wanted to take some pictures of this and get on YouTube. So I guess I got a fair price on it. I wouldn't say it's the greatest price in the world, but it was fine. I need something to do some work. As you can see, I've got a lot of growth out here that I really need to get under control. Need to be able to dig it up. Also got some road damage. My driveway down the road there needs some repairing. This is going to help me do it. Move some dirt and stuff. I've also got a hole in the yard I need to fill up where I dug up a tree. So this is going to be very helpful. Save my back. Yeah, well, that's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to introduce you guys to it.